All right, hello, English class. We're going to continue our search of careers today. Today's a little silly. Yesterday's, I'm sure, took a long time for you to go through. If you want to go back to that page, spend more time looking, you can. But, we have to have a little fun here or there. So, the very sophisticated website or app, whatever you want to call this, BuzzFeed, has a quiz for what career you should actually have. Usually it's I'm used to taking those BuzzFeed quizzes of like which type of bread am I, what song matches my personality. So this isn't exactly the most scientific of things that we're using here, but again, um, you know, got to have a little fun. Maybe it'll spark an idea. Maybe it'll actually give you a career that you never thought of. Okay, so it's a BuzzFeed quiz. So again, it's not that intense. So you'll go through. Um, Let's see, ready, let's begin, right? How would you spend your tax money? Pick a trilogy, kind of these silly questions. Shouldn't take too long to go through them. And then at the end, let's see if I could show you, it'll tell you what you got. I always love that they have the retake quiz choice. Like if you're not happy with your response, you're going to take it again and answer differently. But anyways, I got a surgeon. Yeah, I have no interest in doing that. I think I would actually be quite terrible. I have horrible hand-eye coordinations. But it says that I'm bold. Nothing seems to scare me. Well, that's not true. I'm pretty terrified right now. Won't get into that though, right? You work hard and play hard. I guess that's true. I'm smart and hardworking and direct. I don't know. I think that's kind of accurate. I thrive under pressure. All right. And then other occupations, consultant or lawyer. Yeah, not really that interested in that either. Um, Actually, I think being a lawyer would be really interesting, but it's just way too much schooling and having everything rely on passing one test is way too scary for me. Anyways, that's my result. So what you're going to do today is you're going to take this quiz, it's going to tell you what you received, and then on our attendance response, I believe your activity today is to let us know what occupation you should actually have, what did you get, and then if you agree or disagree with that response. All right, I hope everyone's doing well, and have some fun at this today.